Assalamualaikum, hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is quite exciting because our Pram has just arrived and we are going to unbox it. Ahmed's going to help me because there's 3 massive boxes and they are so hard to open.
Is this the first product for the baby?
This is the first product for, well actually we've got a few, but this is the first big product because we don't have the cart yet, so yeah. Exciting! Let's unbox it.
I'm gonna do it like what's his name?
Who is this?
Salt Bay.
Done. Whoa! Let's give this a spin. It's so big.
Oh my god, this thing is so heavy.
It's really heavy.
Yeah.
Heavy is good. Heavy is reliable. If it doesn't work, you can always hit me with it.
1 second, let me give you a hand. So this is the carry cart. It's got like really easy little clips that you just put in place. This is the car seat, which is so handy because you can also use this. So these extra bits come with it. How pretty is this car seat? Seriously, I've been wanting one so bad. This is when you take it out of the hospital.
No, this one.
Yeah, this one. So you take this out when the baby gets older.
So if you see
This
here,
is for a newborn.
there's a little, very soft, very nice. A great success.
So what you do to take it out is you just get these 2 and you push it up and it comes out. And then with the carry cart, this pushchair seat rain cover also came with it, and then you also get a bug net. I don't really want to take them out just because I'm not using it right now, so I want to keep them nice and folded. And this is the seat bug net as well. So there's the carry cart bug net and then there's the seat bug net as well, and I'm going to show you what the seat actually looks like. Also you get all of these extra bits that come with it, like to cover the baby, and then you also get, this is the smaller version, and then you also get the little hood, and then there's another one, and this one's different.